Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to play Prizepicks, a daily fantasy sports platform that allows users to win cash prizes by predicting the performance of their favorite athletes. To get started, you need to create an account on the Prizepicks website or mobile app and deposit funds into your account. Once you have funded your account, you can start building your entry by selecting the athletes you want to include. Prizepicks offers a wide range of sports and athletes to choose from, including the NFL, NBA, MLB, and more. You can browse through the available options and select the athletes you think will perform well. The next step is to choose the type of entry you want to create. Prizepicks offers two main types of entries: Flex and Power. A flex entry allows you to choose a combination of over and under picks for your selected athletes, while a power entry requires you to choose a specific number of over or under picks. After selecting your athletes and entry type, you need to set the amount you want to wager. The amount you wager will determine the potential payout for your entry. The payout structure for Prizepicks is based on a multiplier system, where the payout increases as the number of correct picks increases. For example, if you create a flex entry with two athletes and wager $10, the payout for two correct picks could be 1.5 times your wager, while the payout for three correct picks could be 4 times your wager. The payout structure varies depending on the entry type and the number of athletes included. To increase your chances of winning, it is essential to do your research and stay up to date with the latest news and trends in the sports world. You can use various tools and resources, such as statistics and expert analysis, to make informed decisions when selecting your athletes and setting your picks. In addition to doing your research, it is also important to manage your bankroll effectively. This means setting a budget and sticking to it, as well as avoiding chasing losses and betting more than you can afford to lose. By following these best practices and staying disciplined, you can enjoy a fun and rewarding experience playing Prizepicks.